Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Frosten, and this is my first video with a hand cam. So, in this video, I'm going to be using rubber keycaps with the Apex Pro. I just got this Apex Pro today, and I got the rubber keycaps like 3 days ago, and I decided I should make a video on it. So, I'm just going to hop into some creative and then, like, see my build and stuff like that. And if I sound like a zombie, that means that's because I'm sick. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the recording because it may take a while for me to load up the map. Okay, so we just got loaded into the map, and yeah, let's like test out my builds. First, let's start off with 90s here, build of metal. Okay, kind of messed up there. Yeah, I messed up there on that floor. Ooh, okay. Yeah, I messed up. What if I tried? Oh, actually, I've never tried that. Then let's try doing some single edits. Okay. Now I think we should maybe go into like a real game. I don't know. But actually, let's test out edits first before we go. So I have two edit lines, F and G. If I just press those and then like F and then my mouse click. I want to try this though. Never tried this. I'm not good at editing. Yeah. Okay, so let's go into a real game now. Okay, so we just got into a game. Now, there may be a part 2 of this because I may run out of time on this. Well, not like running out of time on the recording. Because since I'm not verified yet, which you guys should get me verified. I'm not verified yet, so I can't make videos over 15 minutes. So yeah, it's not my fault. I'd make an hour-long video if I was verified. And please subscribe, guys. I really need that. And leave a like. And then comment what I should do next video. So I'm gonna land. Oh wait, I'm not in arena. So if I was playing arena, I'd either land DC Grove or Rocky Reels. I'm gonna go Daily Bugle. That was kind of a late drop. I may just get the Spider-Man mythic then run. Oh wait, the pontoon. I've only been here once on the pontoon. Let's go try it. This glider is so loud, but I love like the animation that it makes. Oh wait, someone's already here. Oh, what the? I kill this guy? Die. Oh yes. He ran in. He didn't take all the chests. All I took was this chest. I'm gonna drop my AR for this, because my AR has no ammo. And the Apex Pro that I'm using has one activation, so it's like I barely have to press to go forward. Look, I'm barely pressing on it. It's crazy. I don't know why, I just wanted to break that. You know, I had full HP. That's the same guy. Oh, I missed that. How did I miss that? Oh, wait. Jeez. I'm 2 HP. No, I'm dead. I'm so dead. It's probably coming right now. My voice. Oh my gosh. Come on, pop this. Let's go. Can you get him drop down? Oh. Oh, right. Man, that guy had really good loot. Oh wait, where did my AR go? So the keyboard's, I would say it's like kind of loud with rubber keycaps, but not too loud. Like not as loud as the keyboard I used in like my truck pursuit video, my warm-up video. But yeah. Are you kidding me right now? I have 2 of the same weapon now. Hey, you're fighting. I'm gonna go get, oh my gosh, my voice. Oh. Coming for 99. Oh wait, Santa. I'm going to get Santa. I have to. This is a perfect game to go see Santa because Christmas is literally tomorrow for me. It's 24th, but you guys will probably see this. Like, or wait, maybe. So yeah, I'll probably be able to end this today. So yeah, I'll probably see this today. Well, it's a 24th. Yeah, 24th everywhere now. Wait, oh yeah, there's Santa. No, he's running away. I have to go catch up to him. Santa! No, don't leave. Hi. I've been nice. Trust me. I've been nice. Thank you. Ooh. I'm not gonna take it though, because I have a sniper already. I don't know why. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm coughing now. But I'm not telling anyone. I'm just telling you guys I'm coughing now. But yeah. I always get sick around Christmas. Santa. Wait, someone robbed him. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, what is happening? Hi. Hi, Santa. I'm gonna take him with me. That wasn't the real Santa. That was Sergeant Winter. They tried to scam me with a fake Sergeant Winter, not Santa. How dare they? There's no guy in there, right? Yeah, no. Oh, here goes Spider-Man. What is my bloom? I have like no mats. And he's running. I actually need that launch pad to get to zone. Oh, I meant to click on map. Sorry. My binds. I literally just changed my binds. If you guys want me to like show you all my binds, I'll do a video on that. Probably be like a minute long video though. This is the one where you can like travel on them. That's probably the fastest I'm on like oh my gosh, that guy with the bolt action. Let's see. Let's see where he is. I'm guessing he's in a bush. Oh, he's not. Hey, props whoever this is. That was a good snipe. But yeah, I'm going to be ending this video here. Let me know if you want me to do a part 2 on it. And see you guys all later.